Hi, this is Dr. Duresti with the Cranial Release Technique, and I want to share with you what happened with a patient the other day that came in and was complaining about a lot of low back pain, which was really just brought on sort of suddenly over the last day or two, she said. She was walking and developed a blister because of a new pair of shoes, so because of that blister, she sort of had a limp for a few blocks till she purchased a Band-Aid in the street, and then she was okay. But then the following day, she developed low back pain. Sort of bilateral, lower, dull, achy, low back pain, nothing radiating down her leg. I checked her spine, checked her pelvis, everything seemed to be moving fine from a motion palpation standpoint. Pelvis was balanced. I applied the cranial release to her. And as I applied the cranial release to her, when I finished, she reported to me that she felt as if within her skull there was a releasing of tension. And I'm wondering if what was released was the dura mater and the tension that built up in the dura because of the walk that was distorted because of the blister shifting her weight. And when I had her get up and just take a brief walk around the office, she said, "I feel 30% better right now." I saw her the next day and she said, "I feel 70% better." I applied the cranial release again, and now 3 days later, she's virtually 100% back to where she was. So here's a good example of someone with low back pain, which seemed to be caused from a foot problem, from a blister throwing her gait off, distorting her walking pattern, sending the stress up and finalizing up in the cranium. And again, by applying the cranial release, opening the cranium, aligning the cranium, releasing the dural stress, then affected the low back pain. So it was a very interesting case. I wanted to share that with you. Again, my name's Dr. Duresti. I'm the CEO of the Cranial Release Technique. When you get time, visit the website cranialrelease.com. Again, that's one word, cranialrelease.com. There's a button there for the online training program, which is how we are now training practitioners to learn this work. It seems to be working very well. So take a look at that. Thank you for your interest. I can hear the parrots are screaming here. Believe it or not, we now have parrots in New York City. I don't know how that happened, but here they are, and they make a lot of noise. So thank you so much for watching this brief video. cranialrelease.com. I hope to see you down the road. Thanks so much. Goodbye.